a dance today called Farmyard Dance. It is a 32 count, 4-wall dance choreographed by Linda Bowers, and it starts with the right foot. Ready and heel hook, heel flick, step together, step hold, heel hook, heel flick, step together, step hold, toe, heel, stomp, heels, toes, step, turn, stomp, kick, back, 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 and you're ready to start the dance again. Now we're going to go over the dance by counts, and I'm going to start from this wall. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let me tell you about the farm. All my friends are in the barn. Farm life, farmer's wife. Don't you make me say it.